Guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to screencast Oneplus Nord CE2 smartphone into the smart TV. Before we start the video, we need to connect the smartphone and the smart TV on the same Wi-Fi. So after reconnecting, you need to open the settings of the phone. Then choose connection and sharing. Then swipe down, you need to click on screencast. Then enable the screencast and allow the location and click agree and continue. Now turn on the location permission and choose permissions and location and allow all time and come back. Now we re-enable the screencast. Now it's search for the display devices. Now we need to choose the smart TV from the list and click start now. Now it's showing the phone screen into the smart TV. You can see. You can view your photos or videos or any other things on the smart TV in the big screen. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.